Even if I or someone else told you how to be rich, the exact steps, you wouldn't be rich. How many videos have you watched where it's someone saying how to make 90k a month with AI 2023? You clicked on this video because you want to see those step-by-step guides. Have you made money yet? You probably haven't, have you? And that's because they don't actually teach you the proper information you need to become rich. I doubt you've seen a single one of these videos that tells you need to focus. Yeah, something simple like focusing. It sounds so stupid, but most people literally can't focus. It's either they're on social media or watching porn, some shit like that, or they have a notification pop up when they're working. No one can focus. Not even for a single hour. Not even 10 minutes. Maybe not even 5. That's crazy. How are you gonna get any work done if you can't focus? How are you gonna make money? The world doesn't work like that. Only the people who are the most focused make money. This is literally holding you back from making over 10k a month. And I know I sound a bit dumb. I haven't even made any money from YouTube yet or anything. But you know, at least I have potential unlike you. Like, just imagine if you could work for 10 hours a day. How much progress you would make. You would literally make at least 1k a month in just a year. And if that's too long for you, then just click off. This isn't some bullshit make money with AI video. This video is actually going to teach you some proper things you need to know, like some fundamentals for actually progressing in your business. And you know, maybe some of those videos, the step-by-steps, maybe you can make money from it, but you're never going to make money from it if you can't focus on the video at least. If you can't even focus on the work when you're actually doing it. And I don't say this to like hate on you or anything. I used to struggle as well with this, focusing. And I'm glad you want to make money, you know, like you're ambitious, you know. Not as ambitious as you could be, but like it's still something, you know, it's better than most people. But like, I need you to trust me, like you're not going to make any money if you can't focus. Like, I know it sounds like I'm just saying this because I want you to watch the whole video, but you need this video. If you want to make any money, you need this video. You've probably never heard this shit before. So how do you actually become able to like focus so you can actually make money? There's always a cause to problems. So I'm going to tell you the cause of why you can't work. It's because of your fucking overstimulation. You're literally a zombie. And you need to realise that you're never going to make any money if you're always overstimulated. But what actually is overstimulation? You're probably sat there like, stimulated? Doesn't that mean have a boner? No, it doesn't, man. Maybe it does, though. Okay, we're not talking about sexual stimulation. We're talking about brain stimulation. This happens when you give yourself so much quick dopamine, such as like video games, porn, watching Netflix, all that bullshit, like scrolling on social media, you know, you just feel like a zombie. That all, like, you can't think properly. That's overstimulation. And that's exactly why you can't work. You can't focus on anything. This could be in school, you know, because I remember when I was watching anime, playing video games every day, I was literally spending about 20 minutes trying to find a video game that I actually would like want to play, because I found every single video game boring. Like, because let's be honest, they're pretty boring nowadays, aren't they? I mean, I never really scrolled on social media, only for about 15 minutes a day on Instagram. Like, that's not actually that bad compared to like other people who spend about, what, like 5 hours on TikTok nowadays? That's fucking insane. I can't believe that. And I would watch porn about once every 2 weeks, which sometimes a bit more, but that's not actually that bad compared to most people, is it? So I was never actually completely fried. But you might be. You probably are. If you're watching this video, you probably are. Like, you literally probably can't hold a conversation with someone properly. Like, you probably get distracted by something so tiny. This happens to me all the time in school, man. I'm talking to someone and they fucking turn around, and it's not because they don't, well, they do sort of care about the conversation, but they just get distracted because someone else calls their name. They don't even think, am I being rude? Oh wait, maybe I'll come back, I'll tell the other person to wait. No, they just fucking switch conversation, because that's how they are. Like, these people, like you, it's either social media. If it's not social media, Netflix. If it's not Netflix, it's fucking porn. Like, what? You need to realise you don't have a single time of the day where you have nothing. No technology. You don't give your brain a rest. You're overstimulating yourself. You don't understand, man. Well, I know my head's pretty big, yeah, but like, there's a lot in here, you know. But it's not bullshit like that. I'm not gonna go into the too like scientific stuff about dopamine, because I don't want to make the video too long. But pretty much, when you do the easy ways of getting dopamine, like porn, video games, your brain becomes so accustomed to it that like you need more of that stuff, and that just mentally drains you. You become really tired and shit. I remember this when like I literally like a couple weeks ago, I was fapping in that bed up there. You see that bed up there? Busting a big nut, man. Big nut. And pretty much I tried working afterwards on my fucking YouTube script. Not this one. What do you think happened? Genuinely. Do you think I could work? I fucking couldn't write a single sentence. That's how bad it was. And I know that's a bit of an extreme example. I literally watched porn before trying to do work. But you're literally on social media like 24/7 anyway, right? So you're doing a lot of damage to your productivity. Like, you can't make any money when you're working like that. I know, this isn't just about being able to make money. This is about life in general. If you can't sit in a room and enjoy yourself like I am now, without nothing, like, that's just no way to live, is it? The past generations, they did this. They didn't need technology to be happy. Look at our generations. You need something in front of you all the time. You literally can't enjoy life. You can't go outside and just go on a walk and have fun. You always need something. You always need your phone in your hand. You're missing out on so much of life just because of your phone. Because it feels good to be on social media, feeling like you're actually connected with people when you're not. People who don't even care about you and you don't even care about them. Dopamine detoxing is literally about delaying gratification. So instead of getting gratification by looking at your phone right now or playing video games for a couple hours a day, which just makes you unhappier in general, because it actually lowers your baseline happiness. If instead you do delayed gratification activities such as going out for a walk and stuff, you're gonna feel genuinely, your baseline happiness goes up. So this isn't just about money, this is about making your life better. So you're actually happier, you know? I hope you realise by the point in this video that overstimulation is just ruining your life. I'm now going to teach you how to actually fix this overstimulation. So the first step may sound stupid, but you just want to admit to yourself that you're overstimulated. That you've been living your life like a fucking idiot, always surrounded by this video games, porn, Netflix. It's just really killing you, man. It sounds stupid, but think about it. The alcoholic who can't quit their addiction, they're not admitting that they have an addiction, are they? If you admit that you're having this addiction with your fucking phone and stuff, then you're actually going to make some progress. That's the first step. You need to admit it to yourself that you're an idiot. But yeah, the actual practical step to being not stimulated all the time is simply just stopping the fucking stimulating activities, right? So that's porn, video games, YouTube, movies, social media. Just stop those 5 or 6, whatever it is. And your brain, you're actually going to be able to think for the first time. You're going to be like, the fuck? I can actually use this. And like for all of these, sure, they might be really controversial, like video games or something. But you need to think like, this shit has been making you overstimulated. You literally can't work because of it. Yes, even 1 hour of video games a day. Maybe if it's the end of it, at the end of your day, it's okay. But not really. It's literally ruining your life. Not just your productivity, ruining your life. So you need to realise that you just need to stop them. Like, they're not doing anything good for you anyway. They feel good in the moment. It literally makes you less happier later in life. Literally the next day. And yeah, you can say, yeah, video games make me really happy. They're really fun. And yeah, I know, okay? Playing them once a week, yeah, or once every 2 weeks, that's really fun. I can't lie. Playing them every day, you might still have fun. But that's actually kind of a lie. You don't actually realise because you've never seen like the other side of it, you know? You don't realise how much it's actually not that fun. That doesn't really make any sense, but trust me, you'll find out. I don't think I need to explain why you should quit porn. Do you really want erectile dysfunction? Do you really want to be unconfident in front of girls because you're putting them on a pedestal like they're some godly creature? No. Stop doing it to yourself. Yeah, it's nice to fap in the moment, isn't it? But then you have that post-nut clarity where you're just like... And now it's really good to like be clear-minded from all the stopping doing the bad habits. But you need to do some good ones, otherwise you're just going to be bored as fuck, aren't you? And it's not just because you're going to be bored. You need to do these habits every single day. Because if you just go straight into working, you're not going to be as built up on your dopamine detox. Like, you're just not going to be able to do the hard work. You've been a child not being able to focus your whole life. You really think you're going to be able to do like an hour of hard work straight away? No, you need to build it up with some quick, easy habits. That's fine. And also, these habits are going to make you happier. Being on a dopamine detox is going to make you happier. When you're happier, you're going to work harder. Like, trust me. So yeah, now I'm going to go over the delayed gratification habits. These are going to really help you out, trust me. First and probably most important is going outside on walks. When going on walks, you can actually like self-reflect because you have nothing. You don't have your phone. If you're by yourself as well, it's a lot better. That's when you can truly self-reflect. You can see the faults in your own life. You can see how like beautiful nature is and everything like that. You can be grateful for it. And that's just like really nice, honestly. Sounds a bit gay, but it's beautiful, man. I'm looking at the trees right now, out my window. Like this is literally recording on my windowsill. So I've got a nice view of nature right now. And also it's just nice to like, if you get out your phone and record yourself if you can on your walks, and just talk to yourself, you're going to be able to find out so much more about yourself. And also I motivate myself every single time I go out and record myself. And you know how much that helps me? Like literally, it's the only reason why I keep on doing this shit every day. Because I tell myself I can make it one day. I will make it. I'm saying it right now. I can make it, man. And the next thing is journaling. Specifically gratitude journaling. This is where you take your notebook every single day and you just write down what happened in your day and stuff like that, and what you're grateful for. In that journal just then, that was me talking about this girl in the gym, because I was obsessed with her. But yeah, that just genuinely makes you happy. So do it, mate. Make yourself happy. Another really important thing, especially for dopamine detoxing, is meditating. Meditating is literally just you and your breath. You're literally blocking out all other thoughts. That helps with your overstimulation so much. The next thing is reading, because let's be honest, when you're overstimulated, you can't even read, like a book or anything like that. Like you're in school and you're just like reading the book and you can't even fucking read it. This is a tiny ass book, but yeah, I have tiny hands, man, stop bullying me. But like, you can't even read because your brain, you're thinking of fucking porn, thinking of like I wish I could burst right now, Spider-Man. But yeah, by challenging your fucking stupid brain, you're literally like, it's gonna be a really hard task, but if you can eventually just like be able to read, it's just gonna help you out so much. And you guess what? It's gonna help you make more money because you can actually read money books, not like a stupid audiobook person. I'm joking, okay? If you listen to audiobooks, don't fight me. I'm joking. And the last thing is to spend time with your family. So let's be honest. Who actually does that when they have technology? Your family probably is on technology as well. It's your fucking duty to fix them, bro. Like, get your fucking, like, screwdriver and go to their brain and just, like... And you probably have the limiting belief that, like, this won't make you any money. That doing these stupid habits, yeah, it'll make you a bit happy, but will that really make you work hard? All I can say is look at the YouTuber Hamza. He made $500,000 in 2 months because he's a fucking beast. He fucking did the dopamine detox when he started his YouTube channel. And look where he is now. He has 2 million subscribers. Fucking listen to me, okay? And yeah, okay, I know this isn't what you was expecting when you clicked on this video. You expected like 5 ways to make money with AI in 2025. But trust me, this money video is genuinely more productive, more useful than any other money video you've ever seen. The dopamine detox will be hard, you know? I still slip up. Like I literally said 2 weeks ago I was watching porn. I don't want to do that shit ever again. Sometimes I play Pokemon Go, I need to delete that shit, it's fucking stupid. Like I still fail and I've been doing this for about 2 years. Don't be so hard on yourself if you can't do it. Just go out on a walk, yeah, don't take your phone. Specifically in nature, you're going to be so much happier. If anything, just do that. My name is Dennis, and if you want to see any more dopamine detox videos, or videos related to mental health, you might want to subscribe. Please. Nah, but seriously, thank you for watching. This is my first video, and I'm sure no one's watching this right now. So that's a great feeling. Yeah, see you in the next video.